Attractive third floor. 2-bedroom unit with vaulted ceiling. Living room opens to dining area, kitchen, and a sliding glass door opens to balcony. Appliances include refrigerator, dishwasher, electrical range. Hot water heater replaced in 2018. Located in a gated community with a pool and clubhouse. Easy access to I-64, Thomas Nelson Community College, Langley Air Force Base and NASA Research Center, shopping and more. Rentals allowed in the community. Tenant occupied until July 31, 2022.